Did you know coding started in the 1940s? Back then, it wasn't about fancy laptops or colorful IDEs. Nope, coding was holes punched in a paper, painstakingly precise and unforgiving. Drop your stack of punch cards, and congratulations. You just invented frustration. Then things got a little less dramatic. Enter assembly and high-level languages. These innovations paved the way for personal computers and languages like BASIC and C. Suddenly, coding wasn't just for scientists and engineers wearing lab coats. Regular folks, us mere mortals, could now poke around and make magic happen on a screen. Then the internet showed up and everything escalated. Developers started sharing knowledge like never before. Communities grew, open source projects flourished, and memes about debugging took over. Today, in the age of AI, coding has gone from being a niche skill to something anyone can learn. Yes, even you, the one who still uses 1234 as a password. Here's the thing, coding isn't just for software developers. It's for anyone who wants to make life a little easier. Teachers can use it to automate lesson plans, managers to streamline reports, and even mechanics to keep track of spare parts. Because who has time to search for that one elusive bolt? You don't have to be a genius or wear glasses to look smarter, though it helps. All you need is the curiosity to learn and the imagination to see the possibilities. Coding is like a magic wand, except it won't turn your enemies into frogs, but it will make your work faster, better, and maybe even fun. So go ahead, give it a try. Worst case, you'll write a buggy program that crashes spectacularly. Best case, you'll change the world, or at least impress your friends. But here's the catch. Where do you even start? For many of us, coding feels like that intimidating crush from high school. You want to approach it, but you have no idea how to start the conversation. Sure, you've watched a few YouTube videos about coding, but it's all theoretical stuff. How will understanding strings and arrays help you automate those good morning and good night texts to your crush? It's confusing, overwhelming, and often where most of us hit a dead end in our coding journeys. Well, worry no more. Enter the Nerd Commander, your new superhero in town. I'm here to make coding approachable, fun, and maybe even exciting. On this channel, I'll rebuild your confidence, show you practical ways to use coding, and help you take your first steps on this journey. As for winning over your high school crush, well, that part might have been a lie. Or was it? The only way to find out is to join me. Subscribe, hit that bell icon, and let's get coding. Together, we'll turn I can't code into look what I just built. See you in the first lesson.